My name is Jayson Wallace. I'm the service director here at DY Concrete Pumps. Today we're going to go over the local panel, what all the switches do, and what switch not to leave on. So you'll find most of the same switches that you'll see on the remote. You've got your pump on off, your pump reverse. This is your volume control, your RPM control. This is your interrupt. So if it pressure's out for some reason, you just hit that and it does the stroke change. Grease, I want to see this get pushed while you're washing out. When you're washing out, you should just be able to reach over and hit that. It'll run the greaser for a little bit, push grease through all the bearings and everything. Your vibrator, that is a latching on, so you turn that on. If it's in PTO, your vibrator is going to be going. This is for your cooling fans. During the summer, most people opt to leave it on all the time. Just keeps it nice and cool. Boom lights there. This one right here, this is for your volume control. If it is in the down position, that is allowing the volume control to be controlled from your radio remote. If you flip it up, that is only used if you need to control the volume specifically from the local panel, or if you've got your hardwire remote hooked up. So you've got an issue with your radio remote, battery died, whatever, and you can't seem to control the volume from the local panel or with your hardwire, the switch is probably not on. That also works vice versa. If you leave this switch on and you're running your remote with your radio remote and your volume control is not working, you need to check this switch. This switch should be down or you will not have volume control from your radio remote. Of course, everybody's favorite thing to come up and hit and play a joke on everybody is the e-stop. Make sure those are cleared. My name is Jayson Wallace, service director here at DY Concrete Pumps. That's everything for the local panel that you should need to know. Again, if you have any issues 24/7, you could call us at 682-999-9859.